In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and activate a workflow using n8n.io with Microsoft Teams integration. This guide is designed to walk you through the steps required to set up this powerful tool, enabling seamless automation directly with your Teams account. First, let's begin by opening n8n.io in your web browser. If you haven't logged in yet, you will need to do so now. Once you've accessed your account, you're ready to start building your first workflow. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, noting how the tool is laid out. You'll see that starting a new workflow is straightforward. To get started on crafting your workflow masterpiece, look for the option or button to create a new workflow. This is usually prominently placed within the main dashboard. Click on it, and a blank canvas for your new workflow should open up, waiting for your automation ideas to take shape. Now, what we want to do next is add a Microsoft Teams node to this canvas. This node will serve as the point of interaction between n8n and Microsoft Teams, making sure they can communicate effectively. In the toolbox or sidebar of n8n, search for Microsoft Teams. Once you've found it, simply drag and drop the Teams node onto your workflow canvas. This node acts as a bridge, allowing you to either receive or send data to and from Microsoft Teams. The next pivotal step is to establish a secure connection by authenticating with your Microsoft Teams account. This is typically done through OAuth, a standard and secure authentication method. Look for the authentication option within the Microsoft Teams node settings and follow the prompts. You might need to log into your Teams account to authorize n8n to have access. Remember, this step is essential for enabling data and command exchanges between n8n and Microsoft Teams, so ensure you grant necessary permissions during the authentication process. Once authenticated, it's time to configure any triggers or actions you want for Microsoft Teams. Maybe you want to create triggers to monitor conversations or actions that send notifications. Whatever the case, you'll find configuration options within the node settings. Take your time to adjust these according to your needs, ensuring each option aligns with your workflow goals. Finally, with your workflow fully set up and tailored to suit your purposes, the last step is to save and activate it. Look for the save option, often located at the top of the interface. Once saved, you can then activate your workflow, usually by toggling a switch or hitting an activate button. Upon activation, your workflow becomes live, automatically performing tasks as you've configured it. And there you have it, a fully functional n8n workflow integrated with Microsoft Teams. This setup opens up numerous possibilities for automation, creating efficiencies in your daily digital interactions.